Okay, this is the lesson which we are studying. हम लोग कल ये कर चुके हैं ना? Anidya, we have finished this? Okay, now see.
Yes.
Now, what do birds use for preening their feathers? What do birds use?
Birds use their beak for preening their feathers.
Very good. Birds use their beak for preening their feathers. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. So, this was the right answer. What do birds use for preening their feathers? क्या चीज से preen करते हैं? They use their beak for preening their feathers. नव्या मुझे दिख रही है. नव्या roll number 12-4E. Unmute करो. Now, what could be the answer for how is crushing beak helpful to a pigeon? How is crushing beak helpful to a pigeon? Unmute करे बेटा, जल्दी से. बताइए.
Ma'am, crushing beak helpful to a pigeon to kill the enemies.
Hi. Question है, how is the crushing beak helpful to a pigeon?
Crushing beak helpful to a pigeon to crush the food.
Yes, the crushing beak of pigeon help it to crush the food into very small pieces. और कोई बोलना चाहेगा इसी आंसर को? थोड़ा देखो मैं, और कोई बोलना चाहता है कि नहीं? चित्रांश नहीं, सॉरी, आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा, यू वांट टू आंसर? हाथ उठाओ. अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to
Yes,
give this
ma'am.
answer? You want to give this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool.
A crushing beak is a short and hard beak. It helps the pigeon for crushing seeds and grains.
Okay, the crushing beak of pigeon helps it to crush the grains or the hard nuts before swallowing. वो swallow करने के पहले उसकी जो crushing beak होती है उसको help करते हैं उसको crush करने में into small pieces. Okay, very good. Aitko Mishra, unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Let's move to third question. आराध्य वर्मा, अपने आप को म्यूट करो. अनम्यूट करो, सॉरी. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, आराध्य वर्मा. आराध्य वर्मा. सूर्यांश, आप सीधा कभी नहीं बैठते. You cannot sit straight. आराध्य वर्मा कहाँ गई? Unmute yourself. Aradhya Verma, will you unmute yourself? Aradhya Verma, can you hear me? मानस जा, म्यूट करो अपने आप को. आदित्य वर्मा को मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Okay. Anusha Srivastava, unmute yourself. What are claws? Anusha, what are claws?
Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet. It can be used for climbing, protecting, holding food, etc.
Okay. Priyesh, answer this question again.
The claws are the nails present in the toes, helps us in climbing, protecting, eating.
Okay.
मेरा नहीं, मतलब कि मैम
Claws are the.
Who
Who is talking? Anusha. Anusha, who are you talking? Claws are the curved nails present on the feet of the bird. This helps in protecting, climbing, perching, and fighting. So what are the claws? ये हमारे curve beaks birds ये curved nails है जो उनके feet represent है. Priyesh, is it right? Priyesh, आप फिर से गलत बैठे. Sit properly. Okay, next. Next. Name 3 birds of prey. Name 3 birds of prey. फटाफट गोपाल बताओ. आंसर दो. गोपाल.
3 birds of
prey are. Okay, आराध्या कुमारी 4A. इसने भी हाथ उठाया. Let me ask. आराध्या बोलो. आराध्या कुमारी 4A. 3 birds of prey. जल्दी बता दो बेटे.
Ma'am, eagle.
Okay.
Ma'am, eagle.
अरे आगे बोलो. ईगल बोल चुकी 3 बार. आगे बोलो. Okay.
Ma'am, vulture
और
and hawk.
okay, eagle, vulture, and hawk. These are the birds of prey. Very good. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. प्रियेश रंजन म्यूट करो अपने आप को. सत्यम जहाँ अनम्यूट करो. सत्यम फटाफट अनम्यूट करो. What prevents the body of crane and jacana from sinking into mud? क्या prevent करता है?
What are you saying?
Question number 5. What prevents the body of crane and jacana from sinking? Those who know this answer, raise your hand. फटाफट.
Crane and jacana have long legs.
Okay, yes. The long leg of crane and jacana help the body to prevent the body from sinking. Yes. It is the right answer. It is the right answer. Okay, Shreya, I have seen Shreya somewhere. Shreya, unmute karo. Shreya, unmute yourself. 4A Shreya. Unmute yourself. Shreya, unmute karo beta. Jaldi, jaldi. 2 main use of beak of a bird. 2 main uses of beak of a bird. What are the 2 main use of?
No, man.
कोई भी 2 use बता दो जल्दी से. जल्दी से बताओ. 2 main use of beak. तो बड़ा easy question है. Grishant Molly is a new student. I want to unmute yourself. Grishant, you want to answer this question? Grishant, do you want to answer this question? Unmute करो अपने आप को. Grishant, unmute करो बेटा. Unmute करो. क्या हुआ? नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, let me see somebody else. हाँ बोलो. Okay, right. You answer. I have unmuted you. चलो बोलो. 2 main use of beak of a bird. बोली.
Birds uses their beak to tear, bite, chisel, or crush the food. Birds use their beak to fight the enemy or catch the prey.
Okay, yes. Birds use their beak for fighting, protecting, protecting. You can have it here. देखो इस आंसर को बहुत अच्छे से आप 2 use of beak. Page number अगर आपके पास बुक है आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे. See, birds use their beak to fight the enemies or catch the prey, and they use it for breathing their feathers also. You have to write any 2. You can write any 2 uses. Okay.
I want to ask something. Ma'am, I want to ask something.
हाँ.
Ma'am, in question number 2, उसमें हम लोग ये आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Pigeons use their beak for crushing seeds and grains and thereby make them soft.
Yes, that is what you have to write. The pigeons, the crushing beak of pigeon help it to crush the beak into smaller pieces, make it soft before swallowing. That can also be the answer. Okay, how are claws helpful to a bird? Who will answer this question? Rishan, Molly, mute yourself. Who wants to answer this question? Who wants to answer this question? How are claws useful to a bird? Claws कैसे useful हैं? अनित्या, मैंने आपसे बहुत बार पूछा बेटा. आज स्पर्श से मैं बहुत दिन से नहीं पूछी हूँ. स्पर्श बोलो. How are claws helpful to a bird?
Claws helpful to a bird
टू फ्लाई मैम, मैं अच्छा से याद नहीं मैम, मतलब मैम तैयार तो किया था मैम, अभी वो
ये क्या हो गया? तैयार तो किया था मैम, मतलब Who will answer this question then? मेरे पास समय बहुत कम है, जल्दी जल्दी. कुमारी अदिति, you want to answer because you never give any answers. मैं आपको unmute करती हूँ, बस आप चुप हो जाते हो. आराध्या कुमारी, unmute करो, बोलो. How are claws useful to helpful to a bird?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. Are how come? How are claws you helpful to a bird?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Satyam Jha, am I audible to you? Satyam Jha, क्या मेरी
Ma'am,
आवाज
your
आ
voice
रही
is
है?
not coming.
Satyam Jha. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Sparsh, you want to ask this question? How are claws helpful to a bird? Bolo.
Claws useful, but claws are useful.
Food and sticky beak.
Sparsh, bolo.
Claws are useful for climbing, protecting, and fight from enemy.
Okay. Next question.
Ma'am,
How does a
Your
swallow?
voice is not coming.
My voice is coming. Very much clear because everybody is answering the
Yes, ma'am,
question.
your voice was clear.
Everybody was answering the question. And my voice is coming. It is your net problem, beta. Check your net. Okay. Kaushli Kumari, how does swallow catch its food? Swallow कैसे अपना food catch करता है? क्या speciality है swallow की? Do you remember? Swallow has a sticky beak. It catches the flies. Which? Aditya, you want to answer this question? बोलो, बोलो, बोलो. आप ही बोल पहले.
Swallow has sticky beak from inside. Swallow can catch their prey while flying.
Very good. Yes. Next question. How do web feet help us bird to duck to swim? Again, Satyam is मतलब सत्यम पूरा prepared है. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख करके. लेकिन दूसरे बच्चों को भी जवाब देने का मौका देना पड़ेगा. स्पर्श से मैंने पूछ लिया है. और इधर कोई हाथ ही नहीं उठा. Nobody. Ayush Kumar 4A. Unmute yourself. Ayush 4A. How do web feet help a bird duck to swim? Ayush, बोलो. Duck का जो web feet होता है उसको क्या? हाँ बोलो. How do duck feet? How do the web feet help a duck to swim? Keep your videos on at least.
Ma'am,
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
ma'am, voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear, but the question is very much clear in front of you. Question number 4. Okay, then I have to pass the question to somebody else. I cannot waste my time like this. The web feet, duck has a web feet because this helps the duck to swim. The web feet act as a pedal. So the web feet, it acts as a pedal. So it can swim in water very easily. It has got the 3 toes of the duck is joined by a thin membrane and gives a flat appearance, and it works as a pedal. So the web feet of a duck help it to swim, help it to use its web feet as a pedal. Last question. What type of feet do the scratching birds have? Okay, let me give this answer by myself. The scratching birds with the scratching bird, or the scratching birds have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 small toe at back, which helps the bird to scratch the ground and search for the what? Seeds or worms. Okay, this was all about the question answers. You will be getting the question answers in the WhatsApp today only. आपको मैं question answer WhatsApp में भेज दूंगी.